Microsoft Excel is a software program that allows users to organize, format, and calculate data with formulas using a spreadsheet system. Data types in Excel talks about the different data Microsoft Excel can read, or you can say understand. They are as followed: whole number 123,456, decimal numbers 23.3, 43.2.text, strings Andy, Naomi. Date and time 1 May 2010. Boolean is usually the true, false statement. Lastly, formula, which can be activated with the quals to sign, equals. Hey guys, have you heard about some of the new data types just introduced in Excel? They're called the stock data and geography data types, and they are useful and fun to use. Now let's head off to our Excel where I show you how to use the new data types. Before we start, just some information. The geography and stock data type are available for the various version: Excel for Microsoft 365, Excel for Microsoft 365 for Mac, Excel for the web, Excel for iPad, and more. Go to the Data tab in your Excel. You will see under the data type, stock and geography. Let's start with the stock data type. Write the list of the following ticker: MSFT, TSLA, IBM, AAPL, Goog, Shell. All same process for the geography data type. Firstly, open your browser and search list of states in America. Select any of the web pages you see and copy the URL link. Go back to your Excel. Now, let's create a map by highlighting all the states and populations with your hands on the Control key. Now guys, you now understand all the data types in Excel. Remember, data is fun. To support this channel, like, subscribe and share. Don't forget this was powered by Biz Edge.